Hi guys, welcome to RGI Easy Sewings with myself, Avena Prince, and today we have a treat for you. So one of the programs that we teach is our bag making sewing program, and with that program we teach how to do different styles of bags. Okay, today we are going to show you how to make the first item that we teach in that program. So this idea we're going to show you guys today is actually a quick money making idea. Okay, so as women we always want a bag, or we always need something in our bigger bag that is going to just store everything and keep everything in place. Whether it is for your makeup, whether it is for your little women products that you keep in there, we are going to show you today how to make pouches. Come on, let's do this. You need 4 pieces of fabric, 9 inches by 9 inches. So this is going to be our inner piece. We have 2 pieces here, and this is going to be our outer piece, 2 pieces again. You will need your measuring tape, a pair of scissors, a nipper, and of course your regular scissors which you would have used to cut your material. Okay, so we will commence by changing our presser foot. Okay. So the right side of the outer fabric face upwards. The top side of our zipper faces downward. And the right side of our inner fabric also faces downward. Okay, so I'm using my straight pins just to keep everything in place. And I am going to sew my zipper in place. Sometimes it helps to just move the head of the zipper slightly to make sewing more comfortable. Okay, we've sewn our first side. Okay guys, this is what you have here. We're going to do the second side the same way. Okay, so this is what our pieces would look like at this point, and you may or may not want to bring this just a tad bit closer. I am going to do that for my pouch. Okay, so to do this, you're just going to fold your material closer to your zipper. Okay, so that will just give us this will give us a more finished look. I'm going to do the same thing on both sides. And to help me, I will use my straight pins. Okay, so we are using our regular presser foot again. Alright guys, so you can see how this side looks more finished than this one. So I'm going to do the second side. This is what we have at this stage. And our zipper works perfectly. And at this point, we will bring these 2 pieces together. So we're connecting outer to outer. And then inner to inner. When we connect our inner fabric, we will also leave a slight opening that we will use to flip our pouch. I'm also going to open this area slightly. So open our zipper slightly. Alright, so we're putting our straight pins all around. Okay, remember we're keeping an opening. So your opening could be at this side of your inner material, which is going to be the bottom part, or to the side, either side. I will leave my opening to the bottom part. It will help us to flip our pouch once we're done. Okay. We're working with 1/2 inch sewing allowance. And just a sewing tip, whenever you are turning your material, ensure that your needle stays in your fabric. That way when you start to sew, you will start off at the same place you stopped. This is the zipper area. It's going to get a lot of pressure, so I'm just reinforcing my stitching there. At this point, we are going to open this area, and this is basically our bottom corners, and we will sew down 1 inch, and we will do this on all 4 corners. I've marked off 1 inch away from the corner, and I've done it on all sides. We proceed to cut off the excess on all corners. And now we are going to flip our pouch. Remember, we opened our zipper slightly, and that makes the entire process easier. Okay, so this is what the inner part of our bag is looking like so far. All right, and let us just reverse it. Now there are so many uses for this item. Number one, in case you're wondering what gift option to give someone, this is an excellent item you could give and stuff it in with some other items, as well as you can create a set. It also works as a great pouch for your feminine products, your underwear, and other items you might want to hold in your bag. It works as a pencil case. It works as a makeup kit as well. You can see that we have a base. And of course, you can make it in many different sizes. Just to finish off, okay, remember we left this opening to make flipping it easy. I'm just going to sew this off. So there you have it, folks, our neatly finished pouch. A great idea for your gifts, for your makeup kits, pencil cases, as well as to hold your feminine products or anything else that you want to put in a bag. Great gift option. Alright guys, so thank you so much for tuning in to our video. Let us know if you have any questions about how to make your pouches. If there is anything you did not understand, you know that we would be more than happy to explain to you. So let us know about that. We also want you to know in our next video, we are going to show you how to make pot holders. Okay, that's one of the items we teach in our homeowners sewing class. So tune in next time for that. Until next time, bye.